Hi, welcome to Rozey K9 Farm. This is a litter of standard poodle puppies. They are ready to go near May 4th. They were born 3/10, so they're, let's see, they're 6 weeks today. Let's see, we got, this is one of the boys. This is Chocolate Chip. Come here. Sit still for a minute. He's got a little bit of a white blaze there. He's a nice dark brown. I believe he is the biggest of the litter. We have a black girl here, Oreo, or her new name is now Chanel. She's already spoken for. Huh, Chanel. Say hi. Then we got Sugar right there with the orange collar. That's a girl. Let's see, this one is Oatmeal, one of the boys. This one is, oh, are you gonna say, well, hi, Oatmeal, come here, come on. What you get in your tail? Let me see if I can get some of these other ones. Let's see. This one is Sugar, the girl. This one is Chocolate Chip. He brought me a toy. And we got Chanel here. Oh, you guys are all over me. Yes. Let's see if I can get, this one is Molasses. I think he might lighten up some. He's a little lighter. And even Sugar here might be more of a cafe and Molasses there. Chip here is nice and dark. You want your toy back? Here. There goes Chanel with a toy. Come here. And we got Oatmeal here. Ugh. There we go. Now I can get you. And get the blankie. Chip has a lot of spunk to him. I would say Sugar and Oatmeal and Molasses have more of a laid back kind of personality. There's Oatmeal. Come here, Molasses. Come here. Oh, don't go hide. There's Chip. He's always right by my feet. There's Chanel. Hi, Chip. Yeah, I'm just a fun-loving guy. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Here's Oatmeal. Hey, buddy. How you doing? Alright, who we got here? We got Molasses and Sugar and Oatmeal. Let me see if your Oatmeal might be a tad darker than the other two. I think Molasses is the lightest of them all. Oatmeal. They just got sweet personalities. So once again, we are Rozey K9 Farm. That's ROZEYK, the number 9 farm.com. You can contact us at 616-892-1993. We'd love to give you some more information on this litter. I also have a few other poodle litters that will be ready to go later in the month of May. And I still do have some boys and females in those litters available. So these are from our Cookie and our Gibson. These are standard poodle pups, ready to go in a couple weeks here. They're 6 weeks old today. Chip, you are just into everything. And then Chanel there. We got sweet little Sugar here. Come here. And we got Molasses over here now by me. Oh, Chip, you had to get your face in there. So we got Molasses here. And of course Chip. There's Sugar. And this one's Oatmeal. So I still have, Sugar is still available in this litter, and then 2 of these boys will be. I have a deposit for one of them, and after these updates, they will be picking their pup, and then we will know exactly which 2 are still available. Punch up. And then we got Oatmeal. They all got Sugar names. Molasses. We got Sugar. What did I say? They all got Cookie names. I think I said they all got Sugar names. Huh? You guys got me confused there. And this one is Chanel, who was Oreo. So then we had Sugar is another girl. Molasses. There's Chip. And then Oatmeal has wandered over there. So they'll come up to date on their vaccines and dewormings. They're very well socialized, very healthy, nice sized pups. And we'll say, Sugar, say thanks for visiting. There goes Molasses. Are you going to get to Blanky, huh? Are you bringing a Blanky over? All right, thanks for visiting.